Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in the Skoda key fob. There's kind of two different styles. They look very similar, but the light will tell you which style you have. So if your light is here, all you're going to need to do is take your thumb and push that back cover, and then once you have that open, you're going to take your screwdriver, pop your dead battery out under these two tabs first, and then clip this back in place. If you have the other style, where the light is right here, you're going to need a larger screwdriver, and you want to insert it right in the center here. Give that a push and a twist, and those two pieces will come apart, and this half right here is the one that's going to come off. You can usually just use your thumb and pull that off. Take your screwdriver, pry out the dead battery. New one goes in, positive side facing down. Give that a squeeze back together. That goes in like that. Make sure you got your red light and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.